Dauphine Gordini. These cars saw production between 1956 and 1967, and its success saw over 2 million being manufactured. Its release offered numerous variants to the Dauphine range, and the Gordini was the sports model. These vehicles saw motorsport success all over the world, including winning the 1958 Monte Carlo Rally. As a competitor to the Volkswagen Beetle and the Fiat 500, this little Dauphine played a significant role in pioneering the modern European economy car expectation. Powered by the tuned 845cc four-cylinder engine, it was paired to a 4-speed manual sports transmission. The production of these were performance tuned and resulted in an increase of horsepower to 37. These cars are very rare and quite unique, and would be a sound investment or an excellent addition to any collection.